All right, folks, we now welcome Ingrid Graham, President of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, Sandra Retty, Order of Distinction, National Coach, and you'll see a couple of youngsters in just a little while, Malone and Shacoil, and really we want to talk about them, but Sandra was a former national champion, former Caribbean champion. She was an outstanding, and probably still is, an outstanding table tennis player. Morning, afternoon, welcome to you both. So how are you?
Thank you very much.
And you are just a couple of months in the role.
Yes, I am.
Tell me about the Table Tennis Association.
Jamaica Table Tennis Association, we have been around since 1953. We have been a part of the ITTF, that's the governing body. And we have developed many players over the years based on working with their individual coaches. So we have tried to reach out to the primary level, the high school level, for the development of gaining and requiring players for the national level. So it's a process, and it's a bit of a hassle over the years, where table tennis was the top of the Caribbean, and then we went down based on what we all know has been taking place over the years. But we are here 2 months now, and I think we have covered a lot of legwork, and we want to elevate table tennis and bring it back to the glory days, to where it was, and involve the youngsters as well as much as we can.
Sandra used to play.
Yes.
Any young Sandra about?
Yeah, about a couple of young ladies that they doing really well. If they continue, now that they are in tertiary institution, if they continue, they can, be reckoned.
Yeah, these youngsters, Malone and Shacoil, did really, really well recently. A couple of months ago, they were in was it Dominican Republic?
Dominican Republic. They came second in the team event, and Malone won the under 11. Which is really good. The second English-speaking country to have won it, and incidentally, St. Lucia, that was the last one in 2021. They won the under 11 team event, and the
singles.
And won the singles, under 11 singles champion. Defeating Jamaica.
Oh.
Defeat in Jamaica.
But no, Malone is what? The
Caribbean champion.
Yes,
under 11?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
He has 2 titles for that.
Right.
They are the Caribbean under 11 doubles champion, and Malone is the Caribbean under 11 singles champion.
One is 9, I think, and one is...
11 and going 9.
Right, so how young should they start, Coach?
We normally start them as they can reach a certain height on the table.
As soon as they can see the table.
As soon as they can see the table, not the matter of age. As long as they're 4-year-old and they can reach the table where they can have control over the racket and ball.
How good
start them.
How good are they?
They're
exceptional.
exceptional.
They've been
they're at a point where they can, or under 19 male, they give them trouble.
They can play against the under 19s.
Yes.
And win.
And win.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Incredible.
Yeah, right.
Wow. And are there any more youngsters around that are as good as they are?
Yes.
Yes.
We have a lot. We have a lot of youngsters now.
So, President, what's the next thing for the association? Internationally or locally? What's going on?
We have started some programs now since for the past few months. We currently are using Taylor Hall, UWI, and Chancellor Hall, thanks to Mr. Hamilton, to which we have a program going on now as we speak. So the boys should have been in training. We do almost 10 hours per day, 5 days a week.
10 hours per day.
We start at 9 and sometime at 7 and 8 o'clock. They don't want to go. They keep going, they keep going, they keep going.
But not just the same person. I do we have different people training all day.
No, it's the same group we have.
Well, they can't do it during school time, can they?
No, that's where the structure would come in. And because it's summer now, because we have the program going. What we need is table tennis continuing playing. We didn't have a home for table tennis, so we had to depend on the various coaches for their clubs and to train the players, to which the coaches would work. If the player is a national player, they would work from what the national coaches have implemented the plan. Right. And then we go from there.
Let's move out a little bit so we can see them. Come this side, the coach. The taller one is Malone, right?
Yeah.
And that's Shacoil. Good morning to you. Good afternoon to you both. How are you guys?
Fine, thank you.
Congratulations on your winnings. Huh?
Thanks.
Why did you start to play table tennis?
My brother inspired me.
Yeah? Are you better than your brother now?
No.
Not yet? Shaka, are you better than?
No.
Come around here and let's see you guys give us a little demonstration. And coach, you going to play with them?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so the coach will play with them and we can back off and watch them.
The inspiration is actually from his bigger brother, the other bird.
Right.
There's 3 little birds.
Yeah, you have more than one balls. You can take up some.
Yeah, we have some more ball, I think.
Yeah, take up the ball.
Hey,
You can just give me the
coach.
See?
Here you go, coach. There's some more ball, yeah?
Yeah. Shak. Malone, let him.
All right, I can see the two of them. The two of them can play against each other?
Yeah.
I just want to watch them a little bit. Well done. No, sir. Eh? And you say 10 hours of this?
Yes, 5 days a week. And sometimes they do on Saturdays because we have a league that is now taking place. And some of the athletes participate in the league as well.
This is amazing. This is amazing. Where do you train? And if anyone watching now and want to get their youngster involved, what do they do?
All right, we have various clubs. So it's basically to get in touch with the JTTA and we can direct you from there. Just the same to tell you depending on where you're located and where you can go to find a coach. But for now, we are at Taylor Hall and Chancery doing our summer program. So when we're finished, we need to move on to a new space. Mr. Chang from Western Sports as well is also assisting us in any way that he can for space. He took us the table here so we can do the presentation.
Fantastic. Fantastic. You guys been watching the Olympics table tennis? No, sir. This is very, very good. All right, guys, unfortunately, we have to go. She's the president of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, Ingrid Graham, a national coach, Sandra Ritchie, Order of Distinction, and Caribbean mini cadet champions, Malone and Shakoil Bird. All right, when we come back, a very interesting topic to discuss on our manversations. How long should you wait for your partner to get ready? Will you exercise patience? Or will you get frustrated? We'll soon come. Let me hold that for now.